If you're using the ZTE MC7010 5G router and want to use it with a different network provider anywhere in the world, you'll need to SIM unlock it. Follow the instructions in this video to unlock your ZTE MC7010 5G router easily and safely. Start by visiting techunlockhub.com. Open your browser, head to the website, click on the ZTE Code tab. Fill in your router's details, choose your preferred payment option, and complete the order. Your SIM lock code will be sent to your email within the stated time frame. Once you receive the code, it's time to unlock your ZTE 5G router. First, insert a SIM card from a different network. For example, since this router is from Unitel, we will insert an Africell SIM card. Power on the router, then connect it to your computer or smartphone using Wi-Fi or an Ethernet cable. Now open your browser and go to 192.168.254.1 to access the router settings. Log in with the default password, which you'll find on the sticker at the back of the router. If this is your first time logging in, you may be asked to go through a basic setup. Once inside, the router should automatically prompt you to enter the SIM lock code. If your router does not prompt for an unlock code as shown in the video, send us a message and we will help you fix it remotely. Now, copy and paste the code you received from techunlockhub.com and click OK. If the code is correct, you will see a success message. Just like that, your ZTE 5G router is now unlocked. The new network name should appear, and your internet connection should start right away. If it doesn't, just create an APN for the inserted SIM card and it should work. Need help? Contact us anytime on WhatsApp, Telegram, or Messenger for quick support.